Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OpenVAS, Open Vulnerability Assessment System, is a powerful open-source vulnerability scanner and management tool that can be used to assess the security of your systems by discovering vulnerabilities. OpenVAS is part of the Greenbone Vulnerability Management (GVM) solution and is commonly used for network security assessments. This tutorial will guide you on how to set up and perform a basic vulnerability scan using OpenVAS, OpenVAS Unleashed. The steps will include installation, configuration, and running a scan. Prerequisites. 1. Operating system. OpenVAS can be installed on various Linux distributions. This tutorial uses Ubuntu for demonstration. 2. Root access. You need root or sudo privileges to install and configure OpenVAS. Step 1. Install OpenVAS. First, update your package manager and install OpenVAS. Step 2. Initialize OpenVAS. After installation, you need to set up OpenVAS. This includes downloading the latest vulnerability database and setting up the services. This command will initialize OpenVAS and may take some time to download vulnerability data. Step 3. Start OpenVAS services. Once the setup is complete, start the OpenVAS services. Step 4. Access the OpenVAS web interface. OpenVAS provides a web-based interface for managing scans. You can access it using a web browser. The default URL is. Step 5. Log in. Use the default credentials created during the setup. Username, admin. Password, the password generated during setup. Step 6. Create a new target. 1. After logging in, navigate to the Configuration tab. 2. Click on Targets and then click on New Target. 3. Enter a name for your target and the IP address or host name of the machine you want to scan. 4. Save the target. Step 7. Create a new task. 1. Navigate to the Scans tab. 2. Click on Tasks and then click on New Task. 3. Name your task and select the target you created in the previous step. 4. Configure the scan settings according to your needs. You can use the default settings for a quick scan. 5. Save the task. Step 8. Run the scan. 1. Select the task you just created from the list. 2. Click on the play button, to start the scan. 3. You can monitor the progress of the scan in the Tasks section. Step 9. Review scan results. Once the scan is complete, you can view the results. 1. Navigate to the Scans tab. 2. Click on Reports. 3. Select the report for your completed scan to view detailed findings, including vulnerabilities and their severity levels. Example of using OpenVAS in command line. If you prefer using the command line, you can also interact with OpenVAS using GVM CLI. Below is a basic example of how to use it to run a scan. 1. Create a target. 2. Create a task. 3. Start the task. 4. Retrieve scan results. Conclusion. OpenVAS is a robust tool for vulnerability scanning and management. The steps above guide you through a basic installation and usage of OpenVAS for vulnerability assessments. For more advanced configurations and options, refer to the official OpenVAS documentation and community resources. Important note: always ensure you have permission to scan the systems you are targeting, as unauthorized scanning can lead to legal issues.